What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV, and welcome back to the channel. Ladies, come on, y'all know I'm looking good. Y'all know I'm looking good. Y'all know I'm looking good. So hit that Instagram DM right now, ladies. Hit that DM. Yeah, welcome to the channel, y'all. Y'all see the title. We about to go over some dunks, as you can see, as the title. But other than that, let's get right into the video. I don't want to take up too much time. I'm filming all these videos. I'm banging them out. Yeah, I know I've been busy working, but it's no excuse. I gotta feel good so I could deliver some good content for you guys. But as well as like this video, comment to my new people. Yes, I comment. I respond to all my comments. So leave a comment, and yeah, anything else, just let me know. I'll respond to you guys. Share this video, share this channel. Let's get people to join. We on our way to 400 plus subs, so let's get to that. And no further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so off rip, these dunks, I did it in the previous video, I did cop 2. So let's just run through this. If you want to pause the video and read this, go ahead and pause the video so you can read it. And it says a whole bunch of stuff in the front as well. You can pause the video and watch that, screenshot, whatever you want to do. Read that. I already read it in the last video. Basically, Nike did some type of collab with these dunks. They're trying to like save the planet right here with less carbon, zero waste to help protect the future of the sport. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. 20% lease. All that stuff recycled because as you can see with this shoe, they have no paper. So let's pull out the dunks. Same thing with, I guess, this collab, which it makes more sense for this sneaker, not the other ones that I did the previous, because the other one has the same bottom, the cement. You can't really tell because it blends well with this colorway, but this is like cement, like cookies and cream type, but it blends in with this colorway. It's like what's that color? Like a purple lavender, like a light lavender right there. Was white. You can't really see, but it blends in. But I'm gonna get the exact name for these. It looks like the football gray dunks too, but let's get a quick thumbnail for these real quick. Boom. But yeah, the exact colorway, I had to look it up on my phone. It's called Nike Dunk Low Next Nature Sail Women's. So it's called Next Nature Sail. So that's the name of it. Like I said, it does look like the football gray dunk highs as well. That was women's. Let me see if I can get a picture or type it in. Football gray, right? Football gray dunk high, dunk high. Come on, man. I gotta type the whole crap. No, not the aluminum ones. Football gray. Yeah, it's kind of like this colorway. Let me see. It looks like this. Like that football gray. Damn, my light is bright as hell. I can't even show y'all. Let me lower. I don't know if I gotta lower it or show you, but there you go. Yeah. See how StockX they got it. Don't worry about that. But yeah, football gray kind of looks like that one. But yeah, these are called the. I just had the name for it. Yeah, the Next Nature Sail. And let me see if there's profit in this size. What size is this, by the way? Let me check the box. I forgot. I think they're both. I meant both. I mean like the previous shoe. Size 11. Sheesh. I don't even think there's any profit. But either way, can't go wrong with these type of colorway dunks. Mostly for you girls out there. Maybe guys, but yeah. It got that lime green inside, the little logo. It comes with some tag, the brown tag right there that says the same thing the box says. They're trying to save the planet with less paper and cardboard box, sound like all that good stuff they're trying to do for the community. Alright, I'm gonna put this shoe right here because we ain't gotta show it. Y'all can see it a little bit, but yeah, no need to show y'all the same shoe, 2 pairs. But like I said in the previous dunk video, if you're watching this first, then this is the first one. Sorry if I'm half-assing, it's just that I just filmed a video for the other dunks that have the same collab. So I'll show you guys real quick. Got that cement you can see it a little bit. But this one, if you're watching this video, you can't really tell the bottom is cement colorway like a cookies and cream because it blends so well with this lavender, light purple, and like cream or white. I don't even think this is really white. It's like a cream. But either way, you can't really tell. It blends so well with this dunk. But if you see the other dunk, the pink, you can see how it looks way off. But I'm trying to show you a little bit. You can see a little cookies and cream type of white, whatever, gray. But that's how the bottom looks. Oh, shoot. But yeah, this is how it looks. I got these a couple weeks back. They dropped on the Nike app. So let me know if you grabbed anything that day. Do you even remember? Or did you pass? Did you miss out? Either way, it's like a football gray. Cool colorway. I feel like, you know, holding this long term and price might go up. But I'll try to get rid of it as soon as I can, or maybe I need to. But that's how the back looks. Nothing too special. Right there, you see that lavender purple right here. White or cream, whatever color you want to look at it. You can see the reflection of the picture. I have to put the shoe that close because so you can see the details, because you can't see nothing too far from here. But yeah, let me know what you ladies think about this shoe. Fellas out there, if you like this shoe as well. This is a size 11. So in the men's, that's a 9.5. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this colorway. Do you think the cement in the bottom kind of reflects good on this shoe? Or would you pass? Would you want the basic white? Or maybe this lavender purple on the bottom? But either way, that's how it looks. Cool little colorway. Nothing too crazy. Not every dunk goes for high profit, but it's whatever. Doesn't come with extra shoelace, just typical white. I'll show it from this angle so you guys can see how it looks from the up top. But yeah, that's it. Nothing in the back too much. No changes. Just the outside, the inside is nothing. Yeah, so that's it for these dunks. That's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will be posting these dunk videos back to back, so you'll see this video either first, second, whichever one you watch first, whichever gets recommended to you first. But I'm gonna continue working. I'm gonna continue posting for you guys. So if you're watching at this point, just hit the links down below in the description. Go show love to my Instagram and my main channel. Those links will for always be sure in my description. So go check that out, ladies. Hit that Instagram DM, like I always say. Yeah, that's about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for supporting your boy Roy, Little Roy, whatever you want to call me. But it's cold as hell. I'm about to try to go get some food. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Your boy Little Roy is out. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, ho. Wait, wrong intro. My bad. Let me do it real quick again. Make sure you subscribe, ho.